Hi, welcome back friends. Today I'm sharing the recipe of my favorite and one of my family's favorite gola kabab. For this, the ingredients are, let's see. I have taken 2 pounds. 1 pound is in the food processor and there is another pound. 2 pounds of mutton keema or the ground mutton. I'm gonna add this to it. Next ingredient is I'm using 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste to it. Then I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of fried onion. And among the dry spices, I have salt. This is salt, which is 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder, which is dhania powder, 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Then I have chili flakes, 1 tablespoon. I have the garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoons. Chaat masala is also 1 tablespoon, or you can put it a little bit less than 1 tablespoon, it will work too. But for my family, I've taken it 1.5 teaspoons of chaat masala. I'm adding all these ingredients in the food processor. This is all going in the food processor. I'm also adding 1 serrano pepper. If you don't have this one, you can add 2 to 3 green chilies, and then while blending it in the food processor, you can just add it and it will just get blended, or the green chili paste you can add it to. And along with that, over here I have, for 2 pounds of ground meat, either you can have ground beef or ground mutton. I'm using ground mutton. 2 teaspoons like this of gram flour and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. I'm adding this also. If by chance you have the raw papaya or the papaya paste, you can add 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon for each pound of meat. I usually don't add papaya paste, so I'm not adding it, but if you like the taste of it, it will just make it a little bit more tender and soft. Now I'm adding 1 lemon juice, the whole lemon juice to it, and I'm gonna blend it together. Blend them together in the food processor. So now, once it's all nicely blended in, and now we have to leave it like this for 1 hour, and then before making the shape of it and frying all of them together, I will catch up that how usually I make a small kebab or fry a small piece just to check the seasoning of the whole mixture. If there is something I need to add, then it's a good time to add at that time. I am going to leave it for 1 hour before frying them. Let's cover it up and see you guys in 1 hour. So friends, after 1 hour, I have made a small boat out of the aluminum foil. I'm placing it over here in the bowl, and then over here the coal is burning, so we have to give the coal smoke for a barbecue flavor. We'll place it in here. Just add few drops of oil and then close it. Just leave it like this just for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I take it out. And some people, they really like the smell of it, so you can leave it for 5 minutes. It really depends. And after doing that, after taking the coal out, I'll mix everything together and then shallow fry a small piece to see if all the seasoning and the taste is great. So see you. So after 3 minutes, I'm gonna open it and take the coal out. Oh my God, it's and grill these kebabs also. You can barbecue and grill on your barbecue grill. And you can also bake them. And you can also shallow fry them. So these are really great. Now as we have mixed everything together, I'm gonna leave it like this for 10 minutes before frying them and testing it out. So friends, right now I'm going to make a small patty of this marinated masala meat and then see how it looks like. To make it, you should just wash your hand and shape it nicely. If you want to, you can add or grease your palm and hands just to shape this. And these kebabs are great. You can make it out of chicken, ground chicken meat or ground beef, and I'm using the mutton. And now I am going to just shallow fry them on medium low flame and taste it before shaping all of these. Wow, it has changed its color. Have a look, I have fried this and this is how it looks. So in the description box, I will give the instruction. If you feel like to bake them, you can bake them in the oven. You just have to add a little bit of oil. Have a look in the description box for baking instructions. And if you want to grill them, still you have to add just 2 tablespoons of oil of your choice and then mix it. Make the patties out of. You can serve this with naan or paratha. This is the coriander chutney and this is the red imli or tamarind chutney. I am going to taste it. They will not break because we have added the gram flour and we have also added the corn flour. So you will find them very crispy and they will cook from inside and they will taste amazing. Let's see if we need any more seasoning or flavoring. They are so juicy, amazing in taste, and the barbecue and the coal smoke. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Do make this recipe, try it out with your family and friends, and don't forget to kindly like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, take good care. Love you all. Goodbye.